Welcome to the Heavenly Realm channel. Today I will give you some manga, manhwa and manhwa recommendation that are similar to The Beginning After the End. Number 10. Soul Land. Town spent his pre-life in the Tang clan. He stole the secret from the inner clan to reach the peak of martial arts. In the end, he had to commit suicide for such action. Then he was reborn in a different world, Soul Land. This world is filled with powerful soul masters. Each master has their own martial souls. The martial soul of Towns is a useless blue silver grass. Can he bring the glory of the Tang clan into this new world? Number 9. The max level hero strikes back. Struck by an enemy's arrow, the powerless prince Devi Orovan falls into a coma. His soul travels to a place where the greatest of the great gather, the Honorable Hall of Heroes. There 1,000 years pass as Devi undergoes excruciating training under their watchful eyes to become a hero too strong for his own good. Now back to his timeline and his kingdom, he's wide awake and the enemies hiding in the king's court better be prepared. The prince they had dismissed is now their biggest threat. Number 8. A returner's magic should be special. The Shadow World, the most catastrophic existence humanity has faced in history. Dazir Aman is one of the 6 remaining survivors of mankind within it. The 6 attempt to clear the final level of the labyrinth but ultimately fail and the world comes to an end. However, when Dazir thought he would meet his demise, what is revealed before him is the world, 13 years ago. Dazir is returned to the past, back to the time when he enrolled at the nation's finest magic academy, Havrian. He is reunited with his precious friends and is prepared to change the past to save the world and his loved ones. Number 7. Teenage Mercenary. At the age of 8, Ijam Yu lost his parents in a plane crash and became stranded in a foreign land, forced to become a child mercenary in order to stay alive. He returns home 10 years later to be reunited with his family in Korea, where food and shelter are plenty and everything seems peaceful. But Ijam will soon learn that life as a teenager is a whole other feat of survival. With only 1 year of high school left, Ijam must master new tactics to maneuver his way around the schoolhouse battleground. Can he survive a year of high school? Or rather, will the school be able to survive him? Number 6. Who Made Me a Princess? The beautiful Athanasia was killed at the hands of her own biological father, Claude de Alger Obelia, the cold-blooded emperor. It's just a silly bedtime story, until one woman wakes up to suddenly find she's become that unfortunate princess. She needs a plan to survive her doomed fate, and time is running out. Will she go with plan A, live as quietly as possible without being noticed by the infamous emperor? Plan B, collect enough money to escape the palace? Or will she be stuck with plan C, sweet-talking her way into her father's good graces? Number 5. The Archmage returns after 4,000 years. Lucas Stroman was the greatest Archmage in history until he was condemned by demigod to spend eternity losing his mind. But 4,000 years later, he's thrust back into this world, into the body of Fry Blake, the weakest, most untalented student at the prestigious West Road Academy for Mages. After all this time, the world of magic has barely progressed. Could this be the work of demigod? Determined to find out, Lucas seeks to reach the highest levels of power once again and get his revenge. Number 4. Mushoku Tensei, Jobless Reincarnation. Just when an unemployed 34-year-old otaku reaches a dead end in life and decides that it's time to turn over a new leaf, he gets run over by a truck and dies. Shockingly, he finds himself reborn into an infant's body in a strange, new world of swords and magic. His new identity is Rudeus Grera, but he still retains the memories of his previous life. Follow Rudeus from infancy to adulthood, as he struggles to redeem himself in a wondrous yet dangerous world. Number 3. Tales of Demons and Gods. A warp in space-time occurred because of the space-time demon spirit book, and Neely, who should have died in an ambush by god-rank demon beasts, awoke to find himself sitting in a classroom. He had returned to his 13-year-old self. Everything had been reset. How will he protect his true love now? Number 2. Trash of Count's Family. The Birth of a Hero was a novel focused on the adventures of the main character, Choi Ha, a high school boy who was transported to a different dimension from Earth, along with the birth of the numerous heroes of the continent. I became a part of that novel as the Trash of the Count's Family, the family that oversaw the territory where the first village that Choi Ha visits is located. Choi Ha is coming. Number 1. Solo Leveling. A-class hunter, Jin Woo Sung, is the weakest of them all. Looked down on by everyone, he has no money, no abilities to speak of, and no other job prospects. So when his party finds a hidden dungeon, he's determined to use this chance to change his life for the better. But the opportunity he finds is a bit different from what he had in mind.